Hello YouTube, Duncan here with another update. And it is November. That means it has been about 2 months since my last update. That's pretty bad on my part, and I blame no one for that but myself. So, let's just forget those 2 months and move on. So, it is November, and for those of you on Flickr, that means it is NNOVV Ember. What does that mean? Well, it's November. And that stands for Vic Vipers. That is a starfighter. Vic Vipers are a starfighter that people build during November in memory of someone who passed away in the LEGO community. And he had a fondness for these starfighters, and he started a tradition of building them. So people continue this tradition out of pure joy and in memory of him. LEGO actually made a Vic Viper and put it in the Alien Conquest truck set, the big command center truck, and the ship that launched off the top of the Vic Viper. So, yeah. But I'm building one, at least one, hopefully more. And mine's actually quite large at this point. So I don't know how I'm going to continue making this one, but basically, a Vic Viper is a small starfighter, like I said, with 2 wings that stick out to the edges like that, like a regular starfighter. It has a tail fin, which is uncommon in most starfighters, and then it also has 2 front prongs that come out from either side of the cockpit. And they usually have some kind of weapon on them, and there's lots of different variations on this. People have made like submarines and other vehicles like that. But they're meant to be starfighters that fight in space. I believe they're from Battlestar Galactica originally, or a video game of some sort. One of those two. Anyway, this is mine so far. And the cup, it has a big window. It comes up like that, just on one hinge at this point. Hopefully that'll be improved in the future. It's got space for 1 pilot. And it's got a few levers there, button, all the fun piloty things. It has this kind of engine burner thing. I don't know what you would call that, but it's there. It's there, and not square. So on the bottom, the wings are now they're very secure. They weren't very secure before, but they're secured in quite a few places, and they're built using mostly Technic half beams, like half the size of a regular Technic beam, or half the thickness. That forms the curvy part here, which is nice. And the back is mostly straight, and it has this just uses slopes. And then back here, something like that. Tail fin will come off of here somehow. I'm not entirely sure how that's going to work yet. It might not work out too well, but I can say I tried. And that, to me, after a 2-month hiatus, is something. So, yeah, that's it for this update. Yeah, I have more than 160 subscribers now, which is awesome. Awesome. So thank you to everyone who subscribed in the past 2 months, 3 months. I really do appreciate that. Also, if you have any suggestions on how to build, if you would like to know how to build something, please leave a comment or send me a message or whatever. Post a comment on my channel or something, and I will look into it. So, that is it for this update. Thank you for watching, and happy building.